Do you want to know how to make someone miss you? Well, just like you, a lot of people out there have this idea that they can't really influence how others feel about them. They think they can't control someone else's thoughts, and that's exactly where they give up on love. But trust me, that's not the case. You can easily make people crave your presence. If you want to discover the secret to yearning and deeper connection, all you need to do is pay attention and make sure you watch this video till the end. Number 1. Embrace the space. Sometimes you don't realize how much you care about someone until they're not around. Like Khalil Gibran said, love knows not its own depth until the hour of separation. So, the first strategy you can use to make them miss you is to take a step back. Think about it. You can't really miss someone if they're always there. Longing doesn't flourish when you're in constant touch. So, here's the plot twist. If you want them to think of you, you've got to stage a little disappearing act. Yes! Take a break from the usual social media chats, texting marathons, and video calls. Let them wonder where you've gone and what you're up to. Give them that room to let their imagination wander. And you know what? Curiosity isn't just a fleeting thing. It turns into something more. When you step back, they start to miss your company. Your absence becomes a puzzle they want to solve. Suddenly, they're craving those chats and moments that feel like missing pieces. It's like adding a touch of mystery to the mix. Leave them wanting more. Number 2. Induce longing with your scent. There's something incredibly captivating about activating one's olfactory senses. People tend to attach certain scents to emotions and memories that hold a special place in their hearts. So here's a smart idea. Create your own unique scent. Wear that special fragrance every time you're together. Let them catch a hint of it when you walk by. By doing this consistently, you're planting that scent in their memory. Now, when you're playing the disappearing game and you're not around, they won't just miss your conversations. They'll also crave that one-of-a-kind fragrance that's all yours. It's like leaving a piece of yourself behind, ensuring they yearn for both your words and the captivating aroma that's become a part of you. Number 3. Keep the snail's pace. In this fast-paced world, everyone's in a rush for everything. But here's the thing. Real love doesn't quite work on that turbo mode. It's more like a slow foundation that builds up with time and special moments. So, another trick to make that special someone miss you is to keep the rhythm under control. Don't be too quick to jump on board with everything they propose. Make them wait a bit. Let them know your time and trust are worth earning. And when you do this, it's like you're subtly training them. They start imagining what the next steps will be, like when the next chat will lead to a meeting, or how the first date will unfold into the next. It's like setting up these little anticipation checkpoints, making them think, what's our next moment? So slow down the pace, let the excitement build, and watch how making them wait a bit can make them miss you a whole lot more. Number 4. Make use of your social media. One common mistake that people do is showing someone that your whole universe revolves around them. As a result, it often leads to them being taken for granted. So here's a nifty strategy. Give them a peek into your dynamic life that doesn't revolve solely around them. Drop those fun videos on social media, share those mouth-watering dinners with catchy captions, and showcase your adventures with friends. All these snapshots tell a story. Hey, my life is a vibrant tapestry that goes way beyond us. And that is like a gentle reminder to keep things in check. They see you're not putting all your chips on them, and that's a powerful nudge to make them keep thinking of you. Number 5. Pretend to forget your belongings. Have you ever discovered your long-forgotten diary in the depths of your closet? It's amazing how simple objects can whisk us back in time. But here's a thought. Can you use this trick to make them miss you? Yes, you can. Think about it. What if something as innocent as unintentionally forgetting your favorite keychain or a meaningful trinket in their car or at their place could work like a charm? So one day they find your item or come across your belonging, and suddenly they're transported to moments they shared with you. They can practically feel your presence again, as if a portal to your memories has opened up. And the icing on the cake, it might just bring a smile to their face. Those little reminders become your silent messengers, ensuring they remember you even when you're not around. Number 6. Use reverse psychology. You won't believe how powerful reverse psychology can be in making someone yearn for your presence. Here's how it works. Imagine gently hinting that they might be better off without you, or that they don't need your constant attention. It's like you're using a psychological switch that flips their desires inside out. When you subtly plant the notion that they're just fine without you, it's as if a mental trigger goes off. Suddenly, they start questioning why you're not pursuing them, or why you're suggesting such things. And you know what follows? It's the birth of intrigue. They start visualizing what you're up to when you're not right there with them. It's like they're curious about the stories unfolding in your life that they're not a part of. Consequently, their curiosity grows stronger. They lean in, eager to learn more, to uncover the mystery you've created. Your absence becomes a magnet, pulling them closer, making them want to be part of your world. Number 7. Leave letters and memories behind. Now it might sound a little 80s, but leaving behind a sweet little note or something for them to read still works like a charm. Think about it. You've gone your way, and in the hustle and bustle of his daily routine, he might have momentarily forgotten about you. But then, out of the blue, he stumbles upon a note you left behind or a picture you saved on his phone. Now, that note doesn't have to be some grand declaration or a poetic masterpiece. It could be as simple as a "get well soon" scribbled with a wink or a snapshot of you rocking a messy bun. What truly matters are that it's personal, uniquely you. When he comes across this little treasure trove of memories, it's like a jolt of connection. Those moments you shared rush back, the emotions come flooding in, and suddenly you're not that far away after all. Number 8. Embrace silence and smile. Creating an air of mystery can really make someone think about you and want you more. Imagine this. They ask you a deep question, something beyond the surface. Instead of jumping right in, just pause and give them a mysterious smile. Hold back a bit. Don't spill all your thoughts right away. This mystery you're building becomes a puzzle, a curiosity they can't resist exploring. They start to wonder, why the pause? What's behind that smile? Is there a secret you're keeping? Is it about trust or something from the past you're being careful about? It's like you've opened a door to your mysterious side. And you know what? Human nature being what it is, this curiosity becomes a strong pull they can't ignore. It's like you've cast a spell that makes them want to uncover the mystery you've got going on. Number 9. Make memories together. Making someone miss you is all about leaving a gap they want to fill. And you know how? By giving them something unforgettable to miss. It's like this. You need to build memories and moments that stick with them even when you're not there. The trick is spending quality time together. Those chats that make you smile and those activities that light up the day, they're golden for your bond. Here's the deal. When they're really happy with you, that happiness gets tied to you. So, when you're not around, those joyful moments become something they crave. It's like your presence becomes a happiness booster. So, by making great memories and enjoying your time together, you're setting the stage for them to want you around more, even when you're not there. It's a way to make them miss you a lot when you're apart. Number 10. Be their go-to person. You know who else a person misses? Their go-to person. Think about it. We all have that go-to person, right? That person who's like a warm, understanding blanket. They're the listener, the empathetic soul who just gets it. So picture this. You step into that role. You've become their trusted support system. And when life dishes out its ups and downs, they start associating you with comfort and understanding. When something awesome happens, you're the first one they want to share it with. And when things get tough, guess who they reach out to? It's like you become their favorite safety net, the shoulder they can lean on. And this connection, this bond you share, becomes a magnet. So, by being their favorite go-to, you're also becoming that someone they crave in their moments, a presence they long for when life does its thing. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.